name is Priya Sharma and I welcome you all to my YouTube channel Priya Atomy Education. In today's video, we will discuss about world's best business opportunity, that is Atomy. In this video, we will discuss about the profile of the company, products of the company as well as compensation plan. So if you want to join Atomy, please watch this video till the end, and if you want to join Atomy, you can contact me on this number. So before we start, please like and subscribe to my channel for Atomy related education. First of all, we will discuss about what is Atomy basically. Atomy is an e-commerce platform just like Amazon, Flipkart and Alibaba. As you all know, in today's time, everybody prefers to buy products online because we get our products by sitting at home. The only difference between Amazon and Atomy is if you buy products from Amazon platform, you will get only products. You did not get any income for that purchasing. But if you buy products from Atomy portal, you will get products as well as you can earn income also. You will not be only the customers of Atomy, you will become business partners of Atomy. The only thing you have to do is to start getting income from Atomy is you have to buy products for yourself from Atomy, and you have to recommend others to buy products from Atomy portal. Atomy is having products in the segment of healthcare, personal care, skincare and cosmetics, home care, kitchen, fashion and gadgets. So you can buy products of all these segments from Atomy portal. Atomy is basically combination of e-commerce platform as well as networking business. So in Atomy, you have to make network to get income. The more wide your network will be, the more will be your income. So Atomy is a global business opportunity. So you can make your network globally. So this was about what is Atomy basically. Now we will discuss about the profile of the company. Atomy is a South Korean direct selling company. CEO of the company is Mr. Hangil Park. Mr. Hangil Park is a great personality and he has won many rewards in the networking industry. Mr. Hangil Park started this company in 2006 from South Korea. From 2006 to 2009, this company worked only in South Korea and became the top company in South Korea. In 2010, Mr. Hangil Park made a global plan and this company launched in USA in 2010. This company launched in Japan and Canada in 2011. So you can see this company is already working in so many countries. And this year means 2020, this company is going to launch in India, China as well as Vietnam. The turnover of this company is more than $1.3 billion. This company is having 20th rank in networking industry worldwide. So this company has not launched in India and China yet, the two most populous countries. Even then, this company is having 20th rank in the world. So you can imagine when this company will launch in India as well as China, what will be the rank of the company in the coming years. So this company has achieved tremendous amount of growth in short period of time. And the credit of this success goes to two main organizations. First organization is Kerry and second is Kolmar. Atomy is basically joint venture of Kerry and Kolmar. First we will discuss about what is Kerry. Kerry is Korean Atomic Energy Research Institute. As in India, our research institute is ISRO that works under the government of India. In the same way, in South Korea, the research center is Kerry that works under the government of Korea. Kerry is having second rank in research worldwide that comes after NASA. Kerry was established in 1959. Kerry is having 11 laboratories worldwide. More than 4,000 scientists are working in Kerry. More than 1,500 are PhD scientists. He has developed 20,000 plus patent formulas till now. More than 120 products are in Atomy. So this was about the Kerry. Now we will discuss about what is Kolmar. Kolmar is a manufacturing organization that established in 1921. Kolmar is having 100 years of manufacturing experience. Kolmar is having OEM and ODM based production. OEM means original equipment manufacturing and ODM means original design manufacturing. More than 500 companies in the world are clients of Kolmar, means they manufacture their products from Kolmar. This was about the Kolmar. Atomy is basically joint venture of Kerry and Kolmar that works under the government of Korea. So you can imagine their products are manufactured by Kolmar and researches on the products are done by Kerry. So their products are of world class quality. This was about the profile of the company. Now we will discuss about the products. Atomy is having products in the segment of healthcare, skincare and cosmetics, personal care, home care, kitchen, fashion and gadgets. More than 400 products are in Atomy. Now we will discuss about some products of Atomy. First we will take example from healthcare segment. First example we will take is Hemohim. Hemohim is the first product of Atomy. Atomy came into existence with Hemohim. Hemohim is the most famous and top selling product of Atomy. It's a health supplement. It's a herbal product that is made up of 3 herbs. First is Angelica radix. Second is Cynidium rhizoma. Third is Peonia japonica. These herbs are used for making this product through biological engineering. It's GMP certified product. It's Korean FDA approved product, USA FDA approved product. When you buy Hemohim, you get this type of 60 packets that you have to take 1 packet daily in empty stomach. Hemohim is having so many benefits for our health. It makes you overall healthy. It boosts your immunity. It is having anti-cancerous properties. It helps in new blood cells formation, that is, it helps in hematopoiesis process of our body. So Hemohim is a wonderful product of Atomy and it is having millions of sales worldwide. Second example we will take from healthcare segment is Alaska E Omega 3. As you all know, Omega 3 is very important for our health. The specialty of this product is that it is made up of fish oil that is extracted from clean and pollution-free of Alaska glaciers. It's a natural product. It is GMP certified and it is Korean FDA approved product. It is having 65% EPA and DHA added in this product. EPA means Eicosapentaenoic pantanoic acid. As you all know, in today's time, the main reason of death is heart-related diseases. If you want to keep your heart healthy and to stay healthy, then it's a very beneficial product for you. DHA, that is docosahexaenoic acid, in this is also very beneficial for your brain. DHA is very beneficial for children also. It's the overall development of brain in children. So DHA is very beneficial for mental health. Alaska E Omega 3 also keeps joints healthy. It is very beneficial for your eyes. It helps to boost your immunity. It is very important and most byproduct of Atomy. So this was about Alaska E Omega 3. Now we will take example from skincare segment. We will take example of evening care set of Atomy. This is evening care set. There are 4 tubes in evening care set. First is deep cleanser. Second is foam cleanser. Third is peeling gel. Fourth is peel off mask. Evening care set removes all the impurities from your skin. It makes your skin clear and it gives glow to your skin. You can see the difference in your skin after 2 weeks of using this evening care set. It's a wonderful product for your skin. Next we will take example from personal care. That is, we will take example of Atomy toothbrush. This is Atomy toothbrush. Speciality of this toothbrush is that bristles of this toothbrush is made up of nano gold, that is antibacterial. This is the only toothbrush in the world that is antibacterial, means no bacteria or germs can sit on this toothbrush. Bristles of this toothbrush are very soft. It's a wonderful product of Atomy and it's a patent product of Atomy. I told you about few products of Atomy. All products of Atomy are really good. Researchers have done to make every product of Atomy. Every product of Atomy is made up of unique technology and all products of Atomy are really good and give wonderful results. All their products are based on one principle, that is absolute quality at absolute price. Absolute quality means quality they are superior. No company in the world can compete quality wise Atomy. And absolute price means no company in the world can make this type of quality products at a lower price than Atomy. So the products are of superior quality and their prices are reasonable. In spite of this, company gives 100% money back guarantee on their products. Suppose if you buy a product and you want to return it, you can return the product in 30 days and company will 100% refund your money. This was about the products of the company. Now we will discuss about the compensation plan. Before proceeding to compensation plan, I want to discuss there are so many MLM companies in the market and why you should join Atomy only. There are some reasons that why you should join Atomy only. First is there is no joining. Registration to this business is free of cost. Second main reason is binary plan. In Atomy, there is binary plan. You can add only 2 person directly under you. One will be your left side and one will be your right side. You have to work on 2 legs only. Third main reason is no foundation of monthly purchase. Like other companies, in Atomy there is no foundation of monthly purchase. Next point is single ID global business. In Atomy, husband and wife get single ID, means one ID for one couple, and from that single ID you can do business globally. Like I already told you, Atomy is working in so many countries, so you can add person under you from Canada, USA, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia. And company's planning is to launch in so many countries in the coming years also. So you can do business globally in Atomy. Next point is one product once a year to keep your ID active. So in Atomy you can buy one product in a year to keep your ID active. Like you can buy one toothpaste set in a year to keep your ID active. Next point is no lapse of personal PV. In Atomy your personal PV will never lapse. They will always accumulate. Suppose you have done shopping of 10,000 PV in first month and 10,000 PV in second month. Then your personal PV will be 20,000. They will always accumulate. It is no website and application charges. In Atomy there is no website charges, there is no application charges, all is free of cost. These were some highlights to show you that you should join Atomy business only. Now let's discuss about compensation plan of Atomy. From 100% of its profit, company keeps 30% of the profit for itself for the expenses of the company. That's the 70% of the profit company distributes to its members. From the 70% of its profit, company distributes 44% profit in general commission, 20% profit in mastership bonus, and 6% in education. First, we will discuss about general commission. When you will do shopping from Atomy application, you will get personal point value. That is called self PV. When your team will do shopping from Atomy website, then you will get group PV. As this is a binary plan, you will have your left side as well as your right side. When your left side will do shopping, you will get PV in your left side, and when your right side will do shopping, and you will get right side PV. In general commission, capping is done daily. There are 8 slabs in general commission. And in general commission, you can earn from rupees 1700 to rupees 1 lakh daily. That depends upon your point value. So start getting income in this system. You have to start with 10,000 point value. So in first slab, you need 10,000 self PV and 3 lakh PV in your left side minimum and 3 lakh PV in your right side minimum. So whenever it will match 3 lakh PV on both sides, you qualify the first rank, that is sales representative in Atomy, and you will get income of $25, that is equal to 1700 rupees in Indian currency. In second slab, you need self 3 lakh PV, and in left and right side you need 3 lakh PV minimum. So whenever it will match, you will become the agent of Atomy and you will get income of $75, that is equal to 5,500 rupees in Indian currency. In third slab of general commission, you need 7 lakh self PV, and in left and right side you need 7 lakh PV minimum. Whenever 7 lakh PV match, you will become the special agent of Atomy and you will get $150 as income, that is equal to 10,000 rupees. In fourth slab, you need 15 lakh self PV, and in your left and right side you need 15 lakh PV minimum. Whenever 15 lakh PV match, you will qualify the dealer rank of Atomy. You will get income of $300, that is equal to 21,000 rupees. In fifth slab, you need 24 lakh personal point value, and in your left and right side, you need 24 lakh PV minimum in both sides. Whenever it will match, you will become exclusive distributor of Atomy. You will get income of $450. That is equal to 27,000 rupees. In sixth slab, after having 24 lakh personal point value, you further don't need any personal point value. So in sixth slab, you need 60 lakh PV on your both sides. In your left side 60 lakh PV and in your right side 60 lakh PV. Whenever it will match, you will become the exclusive distributor and your income is $750. That is equal to 47,000 rupees. In seventh slab, you need 2 crore left side PV and 2 crore your right side PV. Whenever it will match, you get income of $1,250, that is equal to 80,000 rupees. 8th slab, you need 5 crore left side PV and 5 crore right side PV. Whenever it will match, you will get income of $1,500, that is equal to 1 lakh rupees. So in general commission, you can earn from rupees 1,700 to 1 lakh rupees daily. That depends upon your point value. Next, we will discuss about mastership bonus. In mastership bonus, income is calculated on every 15 days. Like in a month from 1 to 15, then next 16 to 30. Means 2 times in a month. So in mastership bonus, capping is done after every 15 days. So you have to qualify the rank in mastership bonus on every 15 days. There are 7 levels in mastership bonus. First is sales master, second is diamond master, third is Sharon Rose master, fourth is star master, fifth is royal master, sixth is crown master, and seventh and the last level is imperial master. That is the dream of every Atomy member. So these are the 7 levels in mastership bonus. Now we will discuss every level step by step. First level is sales master level. In sales master level, company distributes 10% of its revenue to all the Atomy members who qualify sales master rank globally. To become sales master, you need 7 lakh self PV, and in left and right side you need 25 lakh PV. Means 25 lakh PV in your left side and 25 lakh PV in your right side. If you qualify this in 15 days, you will become sales master. And 15 days income will be $1,000, that is 17,000 rupees after 15 days. If in next 15 days again you qualify this point value, again you will get $1,000, that is 70,000 rupees. So after becoming sales master, your monthly income will be 1,40,000 rupees. Besides this income, you will also get rewards one time. That will be 1 Hemohim box, 1 evening care set, and 1 absolute skincare set. Second level is diamond master level. Company distributes 5% of its revenue to all the members who qualify diamond master rank globally. To qualify diamond master level, you need personal 15 lakh PV, and in left and right side you need 2 sales master. 2 sales master in your left side and 2 sales master in your right side in 15 days. If you qualify this in 15 days, get income of $2,000 after 15 days. That is equal to 1,40,000 rupees. If in next 15 days of a month, again you qualify this rank, again you will get $2,000, that is 1,40,000 rupees. So after becoming diamond master, you can earn 2,80,000 rupees minimum monthly. Besides this income, you will also get some reward one time. That will be 1 laptop, 1 Hemohim box, 1 absolute skincare set, and 1 evening care set. Third level is Sharon Rose master level. Company distributes 2% of its revenue to all the members who qualify Sharon Rose master rank globally. To qualify Sharon Rose master rank, you need 24 lakh personal PV, and in left and right side you need 2 diamond master. Means 2 diamond master in your left side and 2 diamond master in your right side. If you qualify this in 15 days, you will become Sharon Rose master. After becoming Sharon Rose master, your monthly income will be $10,000. That will be equal to approximately 7 lakh rupees. Besides this income, you will also get some rewards one time. First reward will be cash prize of 1,40,000 rupees, and you will also get 2 travel tickets for overseas trip. Fourth level is Star Master level. Company distribute 1.2% of its revenue to all the members who qualify Star Master rank globally. To qualify Star Master level, you further don't need personal PV. You only need 2 Sharon Rose master in your left side and 2 Sharon Rose master in your right side in 15 days. If you qualify it in 3 times, then you become the Star Master. After becoming Star Master, your monthly income will be $20,000. That will be approximately 13 lakh rupees monthly. Besides this income, you will also get some rewards one time. First reward will be cash prize of 6,50,000 rupees. You will also get 4 travel tickets for overseas trip. Fifth level is Royal Master level. In Royal Master level, company distribute 1% of its revenue to the members who qualify Royal Master rank globally. To qualify Royal Master rank, further don't need personal PV. You only need 2 Star Master in your left side and 2 Star Master in your right side. and you have to qualify this 3 times to become Royal Master. After becoming Royal Master, your monthly income will be $40,000. That will be approximately 26 lakh rupees monthly. Besides this income, you will also get some rewards. One-time reward will be cash prize of 32 lakhs rupees. Next, it will be 4 travel tickets for overseas trip, 1,20,000 rupees debit card income that you can use for business promotion purposes. You will also get 1 Hyundai car. So these were the rewards of Royal Master level. The 6th level is Crown Master level. In Crown Master level, company distributes 0.5% of its revenue to all the members who qualify Crown Master rank globally. At Crown Master level, you further don't need personal PP. You only need 2 Royal Master in your left side and 2 Royal Master in your right side. And you have to qualify this 3 times in 15 days. Then you will become Crown Master. Your monthly income after becoming Crown Master will be $60,000. That is approximately 52 lakh rupees monthly. Besides this income, you will also get some rewards. One time, first reward will be cash prize of 2 crore rupees. You will also get 4 travel tickets for overseas trip. You will also get 1 luxury car. You will also get debit card income of 3 lakh 50,000 rupees that you can use for business promotion purposes. These were the rewards of Crown Master level. Next and the last level is Imperial Master level. In Imperial Master level, company distribute 0.3% of its revenue to all the members who qualify Imperial Master rank globally. To become Imperial Master, you further don't need personal PB. You only need 2 Crown Master in your left side and 2 Crown Master in your right side. And you have to qualify this 3 times. Then you will become Imperial Master. After becoming Imperial Master, your monthly income will be $1 lakh. That is approximately 70 lakh rupees monthly. You will get fixed income of 70 lakh rupees monthly. Besides this income, you will also get some rewards. That will be, first reward will be cash prize of 6 crore 50 lakh rupees. Next, it will be 1 luxury car, 1 personal driver. Salary to the driver will be given by the company. 1 personal office, 1 personal secretary. Salary to secretary will be given by company. 4 travel tickets to overseas trip that will be given 2 times in a year. Debit card income of 6,50,000 rupees that you can use for business promotion purposes. These were the rewards of Imperial Master level. Isn't it amazing? Atomy is a great global business opportunity that can change your life. So if you want to fulfill your all dreams, you should join Atomy. So if you want to join Atomy from India as well as globally, you can contact me. And thanks for watching my video. Thank you.